been approved by the government, by the state governments. We have already invited tenders for the company who will conduct the transparent recruitment by utilizing the up-to-date technology. We have given them 21 days time. After 21 days time, the bidders will be finalized, and once the tender is allocated to particular company, after that the advertisement will be done, and the applications will be invited, and the recruitment procedure will start. So we will do it for 3,000, and it will be the largest recruitment in the Meghalaya Police.
Where, because of the physical nature of work requiring stamina and vigor, the minimum age limits have been set differently, as well as the upper age limit. So these are the departments of Civil Defence and Home Guards, Excise, Registration, Taxation and Stamps Department, ERTS, Forest